Okay, we have an old Mercedes here. Ah, Mercedes, not Mercedes. Oh my God, no, the other abortion, Jaguar. And so supposedly there's UV dye put in this, and supposedly my brother worked on this many years ago, but I cannot see evidence, barely evidence of UV dye, no matter what light I use. Now, my brother, I do know, likes to use cheaper stuff, and unfortunately that gets you into trouble. And now here we are down the line many years later, and I pick up some residue, and there's some wetness on the hose, and there's little tiny weep holes that are perforated in the rubber, and I do got a wetness going on there. Cannot find evidence. So did you try to bypass everything and actually put power to it to make sure there's no bad grounds or anything?
This one's
yeah,
bad.
I see you replaced that.
I just checked it for power, and it has power in and power out.
Okay. And the other thing I'd say, just in case, other than looking for power in case of bad grounds and you're only getting 9 or 10 volts to it, because that'll still light up your light, putting directly to it, just bypassing everything, just unplugging it.
To it. I can do that right now.
Yeah, let's do that right now, and then we can confirm. An old car and bad grounds kind of go hand in hand, and it is a Jaguar.
Oh yeah.
All right, let's see.